The Renaissance, originating from the Italian word renascita, meaning rebirth, contains a cultural resurgence aimed at the excellence of ancient models. Its inaugural phase, the early Renaissance, started in the 14th century, holding a future of remarkable advancement in painting and sculpture. Notably, this era witnessed the introduction of architectural orders and the application of rigorous rules. Space was used as an element of architecture and it was used differently than the Middle Ages. Characteristics of early Renaissance are centralized plan, proportion, invention, spatial harmony, and delicacy. Renaissance took place in Italy, which is known for the birth of Renaissance, and the most iconic landmarks, such as Brunelleschi's dome, stand in Florence, which is also known for its art, history, and architecture. Coming from the non architectural background, his work made it to the most incredible architecture till date, holding the record of the fourth largest church in the world. Construction for the Florence Cathedral started in 1296 in Gothic style and was completed in 1436. Exterior material used was polychrome marble panels in shades of green and pink. It is one of the Italy's largest churches and it remains the largest brick dome ever constructed. This ancient structure was founded in 5th century and having undergone many repairs, it could no longer hold the growing population of the city. The first design approved for the cathedral was to last 140 years. The work halted in 1348 and it was resumed on cathedral on 1349. In a competition which was held to find a solution for completing the dome, Brunelleschi received the commission for Florence Cathedral. A decision was taken to reject Gothic style flying buttresses for the design. Thus, he looked for the Rome inspiration, inspired by Pantheon of Rome, but due to the long lost formula for the concrete used for Pantheon, the idea of concrete dome was rejected. Another reason to reject the idea was because Florence required the octagonal base for the dome and Pantheon was circular in shape. Given the Florentine dome's huge scale, this wasn't possible to erect temporary wooden support during its construction. It had to be self supported from the start. That's why he created supporting ribs and later on bricks were laid in herringbone pattern to complete the dome. Spatial harmony is dominantly defined by flat roof, arcade, and wide naves. Here we can see the proportion between height of arcade and the width of nave. Battista Alberti's application of architectural orders on exterior of building gave the sense of proportions and symmetry. Use of these orders in sequence differentiate between the stories as Doric pilasters on ground floor, Ionic on first and Corinthian on top.